Good morning, everyone. Just doing a little vlog today. I'm getting ready for work right now, but later on I'm going to tell you guys about my upcoming videos. And after work, I'm going to be headed to a parts store to go pick up some O-rings. But first, let's start this video off with a cold start. Alright, I just got to work. I'll see you afterwards, and we'll go to the parts store and go pick up some O-rings. I'll see you then. Just like that, work is over. Now I'm heading to AutoZone to pick up some O-rings for my Civic, and then I'm going to meet up with Hunter, and we'll pick it up from there. I can just go right.
See, they're putting in your tire place right there.
Yep.
And yeah, you go. That bike dude probably thinks.
You know, I definitely could have gone.
Yeah. Church building available to share. Can we have a car meet there? Hey, Jenny.
That was completely illegal. I know where to go, but I'm just sitting here like trying to get over for a while. The right lane's moving so much slower than the left lane.
Hey, look, a fucking socket. Right. Fucking. Don't you dare. You really about
that? That's a hazard. Somebody could blow their tire.
Oh, okay, yeah, you do have a point. Go get that. Go get that real quick. It's still red.
I just grabbed a ratchet off the freaking highway.
Oh my god. Does it still work? Is it seized?
Yeah, it works. Oh my god. Look at this.
Piece of shit.
Just grab the Ratchet. It's the Duralast. It's AutoZone.
Yeah. Oh, that was amazing. That was awesome. That was just completely random and awesome.
Well, looks like I got a free tool. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We'll be going to the Thursday car meets at Buffalo Wild Wings. If you like this video, press the like button down below.
I'm getting copyrighted.
Stop it. Shut that off. Shut that off.
Don't worry, you only need 30% of something just to not get copyrighted. It's fair use policy.
Alright. If you don't want to miss out on any future content, subscribe and click the notification button below. Will you quit?